Well, this has definitely taken a toll on our health and our economy. Across the United States, there's been a record amount of people filing for unemployment, whether you have been fired, furloughed, or laid off. What do each mean for you and your family? Austin Love breaks it down. Hey, buddy.
Hey, good morning to you, Dave. Yes, so many people are just in such a different area right now, dealing with these unemployments right now. And a lot of people are either being fired, furloughed, or as you were saying, laid off. And a lot of gray area in between the two, in between the three. So exactly how do you navigate this? Well, I spoke to a labor and employment lawyer over the weekend to help everyone understand it more.
Because of COVID-19, 3.3 million Americans have filed for unemployment. That's the biggest unemployment jump in U.S. history. Here in Ohio, 187,000, and that number keeps growing, and so do the questions. Many people are being laid off, furloughed, or fired. But what exactly do each one of those mean for you? According to labor and employment lawyer Todd Palmer, layoff can mean one of two things. Employers can use layoff as a temporary measure.
Employers will use layoff to mean a temporary measure, a temporary stopping of work, where there's the expectancy of a recall when business conditions improve.
Can also be used as a permanent elimination. Whether it's temporary layoff or permanent, you are eligible for unemployment. As far as health insurance,
there is the opportunity for the employee to continue health insurance coverage under the COBRA law.
Furlough, you're still an employee of the business, but on a temporary stoppage of work.
Sometimes employers will call a furlough a paid leave of absence.
Whether furloughed or laid off, an employer is obligated to allow the worker to remain on the company's health care coverage for up to 36 months under federal law. Fired or terminated is the elimination of the worker-employer relationship altogether. Termination means unemployment benefits as well as an option for health care.
If it's a permanent end to the employment relationship, the employee has the option of continuing health insurance under the COBRA law.
If you need to file for unemployment, head to ohio.gov for more.